Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to earn Steam wallet money in CS2. Let's get started. First, you need to own CS2 Prime status. Prime is a one-time purchase. Once you have Prime, you become eligible for weekly care package drops. Every week, play official CS2 matches, earn enough XP, and level up your profile. After you level up, you'll receive one weekly care package. You can only get one drop each week. After claiming your weekly drop, you'll need to wait until the next week. Then level up again to receive another care package. Open the care package and choose your reward. You can receive weapon skins, cases, graffiti, or stickers. Some rewards are worth only a few cents, while others can be worth several dollars. If you don't want to keep them, open the Steam Community Market and sell the items. The money will be added to your Steam wallet. You can use this balance to buy games or purchase skins and other items on Steam. As you can see, I've already earned over $26 from selling my CS2 drops, and I've even used that balance to buy games. Keep in mind, the value of each drop is random, so don't expect expensive items every week. But over time, many players recover the cost of Prime and continue earning Steam wallet money. That's it. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.